Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to install a monitor driver on Windows 11. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your any search engine, and after doing this step, uh, type a monitor model number with manufacturer name. So in my case is a Dell 2020H driver. Click on a first link. Now here is a driver. Select the operating system. So in my case is 64-bit Windows 10. After that, click on download button. Click save to continue. Open it. Click run. Click OK button and unzip the file. After I close it. After doing this set, in the search box type a device manager. Open device manager. Select a monitors and expand it. Select a right click on a monitor. Click on update driver. Click on browse my computer from drivers. Click on let me pick from list available driver on my computer. Click on a hard disk. Click on browse. After doing this step, go to your C drive. Click on a Dell. Go to your drivers. Go to your driver's location and select it. Click on OK button. Click on OK. Select the driver model. Click on next to continue and close it. Now you can see data monitor will be added. After that, close it. Restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step, you are install a monitor driver in Windows 11. So how can we? I hope your this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.